After making the previous video about what a blockchain is, I got quite a few responses from people who didn't fully understand exactly what a cryptocurrency is. Now, I could drag this video out forever and attempt to explain every single detail, but instead, I'm going to break it into smaller topics so it's easier to swallow, and then I'll post shorter videos over the span of a few days to cover this broad topic. This video is going to lay out the basic definition and explanation of a cryptocurrency. So let's start with the definition. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency which uses encryption techniques to regulate the generation of units of currency as well as the transfer of funds. This operates independently of a central bank. Currently, there are over 1,300 different types of cryptocurrencies, and that is growing every single day. So let's use Bitcoin as an example. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. However, Bitcoin is the network. The token which is being traded is technically BTC. So this is where it gets confusing. The token is not a string of code, it's not a hash, it's technically nothing at all. There is no physical way to tell two BTC apart from one another. Okay, so let's break down the definition of cryptocurrency so that makes a little more sense. All a cryptocurrency is a string of entries in a digital ledger. So although it isn't possible to tell one BTC apart from another, the digital ledger contains every transaction that has ever been made on the Bitcoin network. Therefore, it always knows where all of the circulating tokens currently are and everywhere that they have ever been. So although the ledger knows you are holding 10 BTC in your digital wallet, it does not know, nor does it care, which 10 BTC those are. This extremely accurate ledger is what makes the individuality of tokens unnecessary. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Rewatch that video if you need to. If it sounded confusing the first time through, I recommend it personally. It took me more than one time to really grasp at that. This is going to be a 4-part series, so if you didn't fully understand that, even when you watch through again, don't worry, it will all tie together in the end over the course of the next 4 days. And if the 4 days is already up and you're watching this at a later date, go ahead and go to the next video and you'll get it, I promise. Just stick with me. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when the next video comes out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you learned something. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.